Tadã! Eu acho que ele tá tomando um bronze e morreu. Ele tá vermelho.
Okay, I'm not gonna kill this guy.
Thank you. Don't look at me. Nossa.
Já temos bastante coisa aqui. Olha quanto paninho. Vamos pegar tudo.
I give you back.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Oh, it's you. Okay,
Lost back. I'm so sorry, man.
No, I'm gonna change now.
Oh, thank you.
Achamos nosso primeiro inimigo. Olha, tem um cara ali. Vamos conversar.
Hello. Hey, Dust. Can you hear me?
Hey man.
Oh, I like your voice. You wanna be my daddy?
No.
No?
Okay.
Okay. But I don't want to. I don't want to. Daddy.
Outro peladinho ali. Vamos lá ver ele.
Hey! Can you make it? Please. Hey, please. No, I don't wanna kill you. I just needed information. You can take my spears if you wanna. Can you give me some information, please? I need a partner. Hey, please, don't run away from me. I just wanna talk. I'm so alone. Please. If you want, you can take my spears. I don't wanna war. I just born right there.
I don't understand what he wants. O que o cara tá fazendo? It's to me. Get inside. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Beleza. Peguei. Peguei a elca dele. Caramba, eu vou morrer. Roubei a elca do cara, mano. Eu vou até o do... Hello, please.
You wanna kill me?
O cara vai tentar me matar, rapaz. Vai até o outro lado só pra ser vingado daquele maluco lá. Morri. Eu fui querer matar o cara. Galera, eu já tô do lado da base do cara lá. Vou fazer 2 lanças aqui e aí a gente troca uma ideia com ele. Nada aqui. Nossa, ele simplesmente largou aqui pegando fogo.
Olha aqui, ó. Tá dormindo, desgraçado. Minhas coisas.
Ninguém mais incomoda a gente. Tem um cara vindo. Tem um cara vindo atrás de mim. Foge. Ele tá vindo, ele tá de capacete. Ai, 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 ai. Tem um cara morto aqui. Aí tem um binóculo. Olha lá, ele tá ali.
Yes.
Oh, thank you, God.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Okay, I wait here on this bush. Can I eat this corn too? There's a lot of food here.
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
No.
No, I give you back. Sorry.
Okay.
Oh, master. You will be my master now. Oh, I throw up. I don't like the roads. Human flesh. Ah. Hey, you come back.
All right,
Take
give me a second. Give me a second.
Okay. Oh, this is really my baby.
Oh, for you.
Oh, yes, master. Thank you so much, master. I will farm for you. I will cook it, food, and I will be your best slave forever. Ah, my claim is broken.
Take this. This will be your slave identification.
Oh, thank you, master. This
Go
one.
ahead, put in the code. Put in the code.
Okay.
Look at that. That's your base.
Oh! Thank you, master! I'm so happy! I have a house now! Oh my god, I just need a sleeping bag now. I have a cloth here.
How much?
17.
Okay. Alright, I'll be right back.
Okay, thank you, sir. Hey, master! I'm reinforcing my base. Rain.
I'll be right back.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Storage.
Lar docilar. Hey, master! I saw a dog here. I will try to kill him. Meu cachorro, galera. Ai, tá vindo.
I'm hurt. I need a doctor. Wait.
Hey, master! I'm back! Sorry for dying. Ó, ele colocou já uns baús pra mim. Que bom. Bom, aqui a gente vai pôr as ferramentas. A gente põe as nossas comidas.
Hey, master, thank you for this chest. This will be helpful.
Don't store rocks and stuff.
This is slave stuff.
No. Watch this.
Oh, my rocks and bones.
Look at the box.
Oh, I don't believe this. Oh my gosh. Oh, master.
Get wood.
Okay. Thank you,
Get
sir.
wood and notes.
Ele falou que o meu trabalho agora é pegar madeira.
2000 anos depois.
Good work.
Oh, thank you, sir. You have some water? I'm thirsty.
Right from the river.
Oh, I'm dumb. Sorry, sir. Let's go back to work.
I'll probably take 80% of your wood.
Okay.
Maybe 75.
Okay. Offering just for the master. Coisa de escravo e baú da oferenda.
Hey, master. I love McDonald's.
What did you draw here?
A McDonald's symbol. I love McDonald's.
Yeah, I like McDonald's too. It's pretty good. That's a good drawing too.
Oh, thank you, sir. I appreciate that.
Um cara ali.
I don't have anything. Kill me. I want to die.
Ah, no, please, please. Master!
Kill me.
He wants to kill me!
Kill me.
Why?
Because I'm suicidal as fuck.
Just kill yourself.
I want to die.
Do you want to die? Throw yourself on the river. This is a McDonald's place.
Kill me.
It's really free. This is a McDonald's place. We make hamburgers here.
get it and make McDonald's corn.
Oh, you stole the forbidden car! You stole the forbidden car right there! Don't take the forbidden car! Não pode pegar o nosso milho proibido.
Hello?
What do you want?
And McDonald's, please. I want chicken nugget, please. Chicken
Did you
nugget.
take the car here? You take the car?
No, I am not stealer.
You
I
steal
am
my
not
car?
steal. I would like chicken nugget.
Okay,
please.
I will make you chicken nuggets for you.
Hungry.
No, the McDonald's is forbidden! It's a forbidden place! You need to die now! It's a forbidden place!
Eu vou ter que fazer uma placa aqui escrevendo milho proibido. É o milho proibido. Vamos pegar mais madeira e pedra. Eita, nós. Tá feia a coisa aqui fora. Por ser esse teto aqui logo de pedra. Oh. Tô de pedra, minha base inteira. Pode atirar à vontade aí.
Hey! That was you guys shooting!
Yeah, there. Yeah.
Here you go, sir, to defend you.
Oh! Thank you, sir! I love this so much! Thank you! E arco, galera.
Hey guys! I need a light here. I can't see shit. Não vê nada, galera. Ai, consegui. Aí, agora eu consigo fazer uma fornalha pra mim. Bom, galera, eu achei uma caverna ali pra baixo. Vamos dar uma olhada pra ver se acha alguma coisa dentro daquela caverna. Olha um porco, galera. Cadê? Eita, porra. Aí, matei.
Hey, boss! I take a pig! We have a barbecue tonight! Hey, guys! I have a gift for you! Hey, boss!
I'm gonna
I
see
have a
you
gift
guys.
for you! Ah!
Oh, no. Alright, I'll
Taste
get
this! It's very tasty! Yummy, yummy! Give it to your friends. This. Give me some baskets, please. I don't know what to do. I'm boring, man. I want some adventures. I wanna see the roads with you guys. I wanna raid some bases.
Need more wood, sir.
Okay, I will take more wood. This is a forbidden car. No one take this, or he will be dead.